How to turn off background apps on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on a device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on battery. Now go to power saving settings. Now enable the toggle for sleep standby optimization. Now once you're done, simply tap on app battery management. Now find the application. Now simply toggle off allow background activity. If you want to turn off all the background activity all at once, simply go back. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on about device. Now scroll down, tap on version. Now tap on version number 7 times. Now enter the password to enable developer mode. Now go back, tap on system and updates. Now go to developer options. Now scroll down. Now tap on background process limit under apps. Now select no background processes, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.